My name is Lance Schmitke. I am the Regional Manager for Canadian National Transportation Limited. We've been using the Isaac coach system since we installed them in our trucks in 2019. We have found that using the Isaac coach system has helped improve our fuel economy by 0.2 mile per gallon every year. What we've done to do this is by taking the Isaac coach information, sharing it with the drivers, reviewing it with the drivers, helping them understand so that they can take that information and use it while they are driving.
My name is Mitchell Peterson. I'm the Regional Manager of Truck Operations for CNTL. So an overview of CNTL's safety initiatives is by using the Isaac solution to identify high-risk drivers and interacting with them to reduce their exposure. We're able to source input from drivers and get the field examples of where we can reduce or eliminate hazards.
Mon nom est Franco Di Giacomo, je suis superviseur des chauffeurs et des opérations pour CNTL à Montréal. Nous utilisons les données de la solution d'Isaac pour améliorer la sécurité de notre flotte. Nous pouvons identifier les chauffeurs à haut risque et les aider à adopter des meilleures habitudes de conduite.
Mon nom c'est Bryan St. Je suis un gérant de produits chez CNTL. On utilise le système Isaac pour améliorer les conformités et la maintenance pour la flotte CNTL. Les chauffeurs, ils ont trouvé que depuis qu'ils ont suivi les indications du coach Isaac, ils ont trouvé un meilleur usage des pneus et une augmentation dans les périodes de maintenance pour les véhicules.
My name is Jesus Romero. I'm a driver manager for CNTL in Chicago. Some of our success has been in the US, we've decreased our FMCSA vehicle scores by 39% in the last 2 years. We've had 0 hours of service violations according to our driver's law. We've reduced our speeding events by 79% using the Isaac solution. In conjunction with using Isaac solutions, we're currently projected to exceed our observations by 270% compared to 2022. Well, in the last 2 years in the US, we've been able to decrease our vehicle maintenance score by 39%. We've also been able to reduce our hour of service events to 0.
We found that it's helped improve morale with our entire fleet. They know that we're looking out for them. We care for them. And that's, again, a core part of our program. We care for them.